79 Top Rain Quotes to Inspire You to Enjoy the Rain. Find some motivational rain quotes to know why it is important. Some people like rain, but some people don't. Some people enjoy getting wet in the rain, they like to dance in rain, but some people stay away from it so that they can stay away from cold and fever. The rainy season is one of the 6 seasons experienced on Earth. Some people do not like rain because in this season there is only mud and water all around. But the importance of rain is different from all the seasons. In this season, the farmer gets help in cultivating. Because of that, we get food to survive. Here are some motivational rain quotes which will help you understand its importance on Earth. Motivational rain quotes. 1. I always like walking in the rain, so no one can see me crying. Charlie Chaplin. 2. Rainy days should be spent at home with a cup of tea and a good book. Bill Watterson. 3. Do not be angry with the rain, it simply does not know how to fall upwards. Vladimir Nabokov. 4. Some people walk in the rain, others just get wet. Roger Miller. 5. The rain begins with a single drop. Manal al-Sharif. 6. You pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud too. That's a part of it. Denzel Washington. 7. Rain is grace, rain is the sky descending to the earth, without rain, there would be no life. John Updike. 8. Sunshine is delicious, rain is refreshing, wind braces us up, snow is exhilarating, there is really no such thing as bad weather, only different kinds of good weather. John Ruskin. 9. Clouds come floating into my life, no longer to carry rain or usher storm, but to add color to my sunset sky. Rabindranath Tagore. Quotes about rain. 10. Into each life, some rain must fall. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. 11. Let the rain kiss you. Let the rain beat upon your head with silver liquid drops. Let the rain sing you a lullaby. Langston Hughes. 12. Life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. Vivian Green. 13. It will never rain roses. When we want to have more roses, we must plant more trees. George Eliot. 14. Love like rain can nourish from above, drenching couples with a soaking joy. But sometimes under the angry heat of life, love dries on the surface and must nourish from below, tending to its roots, keeping itself alive. Paulo Coelho. 15. I've always found the rain very calming. Venus Williams. 16. A crown is merely a hat that lets the rain in. Frederick the Great. 17. Save a boyfriend for a rainy day, and another, in case it doesn't rain. Mae West. 18. I don't know why, but rain comes into my head the minute I think of my childhood. Dhanush. Famous rain quotes. 19. Without rain, there is no life. Jerry Yang. 20. One can find so many pains when the rain is falling. John Steinbeck. 21. No person has the right to rain on your dreams. Marian Wright Edelman. 22. Singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. And it's such a fucking glorious feeling. David Levi Van. 23. I love the smell of rain, and I love the sound of the ocean waves. Amy Purdy. 24. Healing rain is a real touch from God. It could be physical healing or emotional or whatever. Michael W. Smith. 25. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house. All that cold, wet day. Dr. Seuss. 26. Rain makes me feel less alone. All rain is a cloud falling apart and pouring its shattered pieces down on top of you. It makes me feel good to know I'm not the only thing that falls apart. It makes me feel better to know other things in nature can shatter. Lone Alaskan Gypsy. 27. I need the seasons to live to the rhythm of rain and Sunday. Sophie Marceau. 28. You can dance in the storm. Don't wait for the rain to be over before, because it might take too long. You can do it now. Wherever you are, right now, you can start, right now, this very moment. Israel Moore Ivor. 29. It was a rainy night. It was the myth of a rainy night. Jack Kerouac. 30. I love walking in the rain because no one can see me crying. Rowan Atkinson. 31. Crying in the rain. No one sees your tears and your pain gets washed away. Elizabeth Bourgeois. 32. Rain didn't make things messy. People did that all on their own. Barbara Delinsky. 33. The rain is falling ever harder and all I can hear is the sound of the water. I'm drenched, but I can't move. Paulo Coelho. 34. The rain began again. It fell heavily, easily, with no meaning or intention but the fulfillment of its own nature, which was to fall and fall. Helen Garner. Top inspiring rain quotes. 35. Any party which takes credit for the rain must not be surprised if its opponents blame it for the drought. Dwight Morrow. 36. I am like the rain, I go where I'm needed. Alejandro Jodorowsky. 37. Tears fall in my heart like the rain on the town. Paul Verlaine. 38. And the blood of brave men was shed like unto the shedding of rain from a black cloud. Ferdowsi. 39. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. 40. If a man doesn't learn to treat the oceans and the rainforest with respect, man will become extinct. Peter Benchley. 41. Rain symbolizes darkness, but also represents an essential part of rebirth. Sabrina Claudio. 42. I love the rain. I want the feeling of it on my face. Catherine Mansfield. 43. Every time it rains, the soil counts every drop to know exactly how many times to thank God. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 44. Rain just rains, it does nothing else. Wisdom just rains, it does nothing else. And those who get the rain get the miracles hidden inside the rain and create their own miracles. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 45. Scents were like rain or birds. They left and came back. Erica Bauermeister. 46. The sun after the rain is much beautiful than the sun before the rain. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 47. I love the smell of rain and growing things. Serena Hernandez. Beautiful rain quotes. "48. Rain, rain, rain. Like a benediction from some vast inscrutable hand, long withheld, finally given. The blessed, wonderful rain. For rain meant grass, and the grass was life." Colleen McCullough. 49. Instead of blue skies and sunshine, there are gray clouds and endless rain that seeps into your bones, your soul. Kathy Cassidy. 50. Nothing reminds us of an awakening more than rain. Dejan Stojanovic. 51. Never question the clouds, they're only bringing the life-giving rain. Amber Shamel. 52. Complaints are like the clouds that give no rain, no matter how thick they gather. Israel Moore Ivor. 53. What is rain? It is thousands of drop friends coming from the sky. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 54. Those who love the rain much cannot long remain dry. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 55. Winter rain on moss soundlessly recalls those happy bygone days. Sam Hamill. 56. Loving you is like walking between raindrops. BJ Neblett. 57. The sun is light, and so the moon, looking from the sky onto the earth below. The rain brings water to fill the lakes and streams, and fall upon the children running in the yard, mouths wide open to drink it in. Susan Brower. 58. Even in the rain, an authentic leader will continue to reign. Gift Gugu Mona. 59. When the sky is crying, it starts raining. When human beings cry, then tears come from eyes. Mubaraz Ahmed. Awesome quotes about rain. 60. I like the rain, it brings your fragrance everywhere and nature smells your aroma. MF Moonsager. 61. A pure drop of rain may fall on a beautiful water lily or on a dirty mud pond. This is exactly what happens when we are born. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 62. Rain amplifies your mistakes, and water on the track can make your car handle unpredictably. When something unpredictable happens, you have to react to it. If you're reacting at speed, you're reacting too late. And so you should be afraid. Garth Stein. 63. Worry does not keep it from raining tomorrow, but it does keep it from being sunny today. Shannon L. Alder. 64. When the rain stops, water continues to come from the edges of the umbrella, as if the umbrella is trying to stay open for a while, making us forget that the rain has stopped. Mehmet Murat Ilden. 65. Praise God for the plenty of rain He sends to water the crops. Layla Gifty Akita. 66. When a rainbow smiles, my heart gives me that warm feeling all over. Anthony T. Hinks. 67. Whatever falls from the sky above, thou shalt not curse it. That includes the rain. Alif Shafak. 68. The sky is crying tears of rain. Anthony T. Hinks. 69. When it rains it pours, and when it shines you get melanoma. Sol Luckman. 70. Time falls on us, like rain, it falls like rain until we drown in it, and sometimes, it's like the drains overflow, and time just pulls up, it seeps, it gathers in the corners. Michael Montour. Best inspirational rain quotes. '71. It is raining at the top of my roof and I'm inside my blanket in this chilling night with an open window, missing my love and listening to the rain singing a lullaby to me. Shabnam Sinha. '72. When it rains, the streets start to get deserted. And the rain has a special sympathy for those who wander in the street despite the rain. Mehmet Murat Ilden. '73. It's raining again and you will miss me. And certain feelings happen in the rain. You will pine for me. The way I love you. You will be desperate to have me near you. Your feelings will engulf you as the rain does to the earth. Avijit Das. '74. Stay still under this chilly rain. My warm heart wants to hear the tune of your heartbeats. Meghna Sodha. '75. Night was fading over the fields as if the rain had washed the darkness out of the hem of its garment. Cornelia Funk. '76. An optimist sees rainbows when there is rain. Debsish Mrida. '77. Learn to dance in the storm, so when life hands you a stormy weather, you just glide through it. Ikachuku is Waker. '78. The mist after rain, uninterrupted rainfall on rooftops, pitter-patter intellect. The thoughts I leave behind like footsteps. Chris Campagnoni. '79. Like raindrops dripping on the floor like 1,000 drum mists, beating those drums repeatedly, my blood runs through my veins 99.9 meters per second when I think of you. Namthandazo Tsambini. I hope you liked the above rain quotes. Don't forget to mention the best line that you liked most from the above lines in the comment box below.